The secret to getting better at sales is knowing how to date. Now that might sound crazy, but wait, hear me out. Early on in my sales career, I was taught the ropes of sales. And I wanna share this one helpful tip that changed the game for me. Ladies, have you ever been asked out by a dude and he was coming on like way too strong? Or fellas, have you ever like wanted to ask a girl out on a date, but like you didn't want to go on there but like, let me take you home the first night? Well, you shouldn't anyway. So if you are doing it, don't do that. I'm Xavier Kelly, and alongside my business partner, we started a multi-million-dollar rental business. And today I'm going to show you how the rules of dating are the same as sales. Picture these situations with a client as if they were dating situations. 1, don't come on too strong. Imagine you're walking down the street and a man runs up to you and screams, "Marry me today." Well, that's how you sound when you send an email or cold email that comes off too strong. I know cold calling is a standard practice in sales, but considering that 92% of consumers perceive unidentified calls as potential fraud, leading 79% of such calls to go unanswered. If you want your phone to answer, you can't do that. We cold call too. We do it all the time, but we prefer to build a relationship first. So generally we do this through our content, putting out emails, responding to people, talking to people, and like engaging with them. Generally we don't just jump out there and just hit them with like, hey, buy my stuff right now. We try to provide some type of value, build some type of chemistry together or relationship. I think of chemistry and value as kind of like going through and making it easier to build these relationships.
Now, if you need more help in your rental business, please click the link below for our free ultimate checklist showing you how to start and run your rental business.
Number 2, get to know the person. And you're probably thinking, I don't want to get to know them. I just want them to buy from me. But just imagine this. Imagine right here, you're dating someone and you were told them, I don't want to get to know you. I just want to you. You can't say that. When talking with a client, always direct conversation to be about them. Don't talk too much about yourself and what you can do and what you have to offer to them. Talk about them and the solution. The way to foster trust is by building a relationship with your clients. And this is really big by focusing on them. One thing I've heard, I don't know where I heard this out here specifically, but they said the number one word that people care the most about is their name. So people care about themselves a lot. So put the topic on them and let them talk, let them express their issues, their problems, what they're doing well. So then you can find the solutions that perfectly match up with them. Just a lot of times, just let them talk and then you'll find a way to squeeze your way in. Take your time. This is the first date. We do not need to get it all today. And same thing we talk about dating on this right here. We do not need to get in their pants the first day. We do not need them to commit today. You just need them to know that you exist and you can work on there and you can steady build trust and more trust. And it's kind of the whole approach that Alex Mosey and other people like Gary Vee talks about when like Gary Vee talks about the jab and then hook.
Trying to make a right hook feel like a jab is what 99% of salespeople and businesses do that end up failing. It is in the clear honesty and clear track of when I want to do something nice for you, I just do it.
It's basically just give value, and then eventually if you give so much value, like Alex Mosey says, people will just ask you, hey, what do you have to sell? Well, how can I help you? If you help them. Rushing somebody would just scare them away. Ladies, you know this right here. You can't rush a man down the aisle and you can't rush a client into a sale. It just doesn't work. I've tried it. Not the rushing a man down the aisle part, but trying to get somebody to buy from me. 80% of sales require 5 to 12 follow-up calls after the initial meeting. Yet 92% of salespeople give up after 4 no's. So how we think about this right here. When someone says no in the sales process, it's just someone like when you ask someone, hey, maybe you want to go out to eat. Maybe they don't want to go out with you today. That's fine. Keep building trust, keep building trust. So the way that we kind of do this right here, as you see, is like with the downloadables, giving away the videos, free content, giving away things that are valuable that you sometimes will have to pay for, and doing it for you guys and stuff like that, so you guys can trust us and know that we're trying to help you. And then that allows us to sell a little better, and also something you can do as well to help you sell better in your rental business. But remember this right here. No in sales is not final, but no in anything else is no.
Are you a rental business that needs a website or a software? Well, we have Rent More Pro. This is an all-in-one rental store that helps you manage things from your inventory, your contracts, and even your drivers. On top of that, it has automatic quoting and automatic invoicing to save your time and money. If you're interested in this, please click the link below for a free demo today.
4th, brush your teeth. And you're probably thinking, I brush my teeth every day, but look your best, feel your best. But when you go on a first date, you want to look your best. I hope you do. So with sales, with putting your best foot forward, it's the same thing. The way you present yourself will make a huge impact how you come across with clients. And also too, like if you're about to take a sales call, we actually in the downloadable, we have a full checklist that walks you through every single step and what you need to walk through and you need to think about before you make that sales call and what you do on the call. So make sure you check that out, link below, and like always, that's free. So check that out. Articles like this one, Peak Sales goes in details about cleanliness and appearance having a huge impact on sales. You can check the source out below, but it's a really good article to look into. Just the way you look and how you come off is gonna determine a lot about what people think about you. And it was a study, I don't know when it was done, not too long ago, pretty sure we'll put it up here somewhere, that just people who generally look good generally gets more sales. You're gonna get more opportunity in life. And if you think about it from anywhere, it's the same thing. Like a person who has, who looks good will get a lot of people who will come for them for dates. Same thing too, the better you look, the more likely you to get more people that you can sell to. People like working with good looking people. I haven't been able to experience that. So if you haven't already, make sure you drop down and download the downloadable. We went over a couple different things. Don't come on too strong, pretty straightforward. Get to know the person. Like, come on, like you don't know the person's name. How are you gonna ask to dip inside of put your chip inside their dip? Come on. Take your time, like be slow, you have time. It's okay, you don't have to rush. You don't need to yes right this second. And then brush your teeth, just look your best. Put your best foot forward, plan, practice, take the 5 minutes it takes before you get on a call to actually research the person you're working with so you can know a little bit about them. Just come prepared and how you present yourself works out. And I hope you guys like these type of videos because we're gonna make a lot more. I was right here. And this is actually put together by Alex. It's really nice. So, if you see Alex ever on the call, just know this is kind of her thesis and you can tell when she's using it on you. These are just a few tips that helped me in my career personally. Comment down below any of your own sales tips, anything you've done in the past that have worked for you. Come down below. I would love to hear it and try them. I'm always trying to try stuff so I can make more money. If you want to learn about how to make more money for your rental business, make sure you check out the awesome checklist below and also watch one of these videos right here that we've made together and watch these and tell us what you think about them. I'll see you in one of these videos. Choose this one or this one. And also make sure you subscribe right now and like this. I need it.